Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about something very important for beginners. We all want to speak English confidently, right? But sometimes we make small mistakes that can be a bit embarrassing. Don't worry, making mistakes is how we learn. Today, I will show you 6 common English mistakes that beginners always make and how to fix them easily. Let's start. Number 1 is about agreement. Imagine your friend says, "English is fun," and you want to say yes. Many beginners incorrectly say, "I am agree." This is wrong because agree is already a verb. You do not need am with it. The correct way to say it is I agree. Let's practice together. I agree. Excellent. Moving on to mistake number 2, the missing A. This comes up when you talk about your job or role. For example, many people say, "I am student," or "I am teacher." These are common errors. Remember, for singular jobs, we always need a or an. The correct way is, "I am a student," or "I am a teacher." Repeat after me. I am a student. Perfect. Number 3 is about talking about age. How old are you? If you are 20, many beginners translate from their native language and say, "I have 20 years." But in English, we do not have age. We are our age. So the correct way is, "I am 20 years old." Or simply, "I am 20. Say it with me, I am 20 years old. Let's tackle mistake number 4, answering thank you. When someone says thank you, what should you say? Some beginners just say welcome, but welcome alone is for when someone enters your house or a shop. To reply to thank you, the correct way is, "You are welcome," or "You're welcome." Let's try it. You're welcome. Now for mistake number 5, everyday grammar. This comes up when talking about daily actions. Many beginners say, "I go to the work every day," but we don't use the before work in this situation. The correct way is, "I go to work every day." Let's practice. I go to work every day. Great job. Number 6. This one is very important and a bit funny. Imagine you are at home, you have nothing to do, and you feel tired. Many beginners say, "I am boring." Wait, don't say that. If you say, "I am boring," it means you are a person who is not fun. It describes your personality. Your friends might not want to talk to you. If you want to talk about your feeling at that moment, the correct way is, "I am bored." Remember, bored equals how you feel. Boring describes something or someone. So, repeat after me. I am bored. Excellent. Number 7, imagine someone says to you, "Wow, your English is very good." Many beginners say, "You're welcome." But remember, you're welcome is only for when someone says thank you. When someone gives you a compliment, you just need to say thank you. The correct way is, "Thank you so much," or "Thanks, I am practicing every day." Let's try it. Thank you so much. And number 8, when we talk about more than one kid, many beginners say, "Look at those childrens." In English, child is one. The plural is already children. You do not need an S at the end. The correct way is, "Look at those children." Say it with me. Children. Perfect. Number 9. When you talk about your family status, many beginners say, "I am Mary," or "I am married with a doctor." In English, married is an adjective here. So we say, "I am married." And if you want to mention your partner, we use to, not with. The correct way is, "I am married," or "I am married to a doctor." Let's practice, I am married. And number 10, our last mistake for today. When you take a break from work or school, many beginners say, "I am going to holiday." Remember, for holidays and vacations, we always use the preposition on. The correct way is I am going on holiday or I am going on vacation. Repeat after me. I am going on holiday. Fantastic. You see, these are small mistakes, but fixing them makes your English sound much more natural and professional. Which mistake did you make before? Tell me in the comments below. If you are a beginner and you want to practice your daily English speaking with me, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thank you for watching, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.